All right, everybody, so today we're going to be doing a product review on Leno's Garage leather cleaner. Now, this right here, we're looking at a Toyota Camry. This product is good on also removes dirt, stains, etc. So it says that OEM, synthetic leather, alternatives, and vinyl. So it's good on plastics, it's good on everything. It's not just good on that, you know, just straight leather. Light cleaning, spray on a clean microfiber towel, wipe tough stain spray area directly, allow to penetrate, agitate with a soft cloth or brush, wipe away with a clean towel. Okay, so very easy to use. This door is pretty disgusting. I'm going to show you this right here. Let's go ahead and take this stuff out. Okay, see this right here? Looks gross. Go ahead and spray it. And spray the whole door. Do not ever spray directly into your controls. You could really have some real problems, electrical issues. So never do that. All right, so real easy. I'm gonna let it penetrate for a minute, because the biggest problem that people have is that they think, well, I'm gonna use this product and it's gonna work instantly. No, you have to allow the chemical to do some work and break some nasty gunk down, especially when it's a cleaner like this. So I got a microfiber. Doesn't really matter, but let's just see what this does right here. All right, you ready? Boom. I'm not even using any pressure on this. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. What do we got? So I'm going to clean right inside of here. My hands go. Look at that. All nice and clean. I'm going to get right underneath here. All the way. I'll wipe all that right up here because, you know, everything gets dirty. This has been a review of Leno's Garage Advanced Vehicle Care. I'd say that it is pretty good. And this is the leather cleaner. It's good on vinyl, synthetic leather, you know, which is vinyl, and also plastics. So it's good on everything. How to use and product review. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.